What's up, everybody? Steve and Kira here, the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel. Kira is getting ready to go to school, but I am not. I'm getting ready to head to the lake. It's overcast, but they took the rain out of the forecast and they moved it from like 62 degrees up to like 72 degrees. So I'm super excited, and I can see her bus coming down the road there. So I'm gonna wrap this up and I will see you guys at the lake. All right, I think I'm good, man. I wish you luck. Hopefully it stays just like this. It's supposed to get windy, but if it stays like this, I'll be happy. Yeah. After the other day, it'll seem just fine no matter what it does. That's right. we were earning it the other day.
Oh, we sure were.
All right, guys, we made it to the lake. Let's go see what we can get into. Conditions out here are way better today than they were the other day. It's supposed to get windy later, but right now, it's just smooth. We're gonna try and take advantage of it early. Gotta get used to I moved my kayak crate back a little bit. Moved my battery all the way to the back for a little more balance, and so I could fit my pedal drive behind me, so I wouldn't have to keep. Ooh, maybe I don't want to crawl. Maybe I want to go with this. Ooh, I haven't tried the ghillie yet either. Oh, that was a hit. I'm gonna try the crawl one more time, and then I'm switching to a worm. There we go. It's a small one, but it's fish number 5 if it measures. It's only 10, but it's a fish. That puts us at a limit. We're not going to frown on that. No. That was close. You're all tangled up and stuff. Stop. You're a feisty one. Change up. It's a fish. It counts. It's the first fish I've caught in a while. Oh, little feller. You were just too high strung. There we go. Maybe this is a better one. Oh, it's fighting. It's not a better one, but that's okay. Oh, we'll see how long you are, but I don't think you're changing anything for us. But you're still a fish. Oh, let's see how long you are. Not very. You ain't gonna change anything for me, buddy, but I just sure do appreciate you. Oh, that feels like a good one. Oh, that might be a good one. Oh, that's all right. Alright guys, I'm going to talk to you here on my chesty because my boom camera just tapped out. Either overheated or something. But anyway, I always tell myself Kira's going to get home from school at about 10 to 5. And I'm about 12 minutes from my house. But I always tell myself that my off the water time is 3:15. Give myself plenty of buffer. It's currently 3:18. But I see fish hitting out here, and there's nobody back here, so I'm going to spend a few more minutes tossing a lure around in here, and then I'm going to call it a day and get off the water. But we're going to see if we can't pull out a buzzer beater, because I won't get to fish for a couple days, and I'm looking for that one fish, that one like 17 plus inch fish that I've just been chasing all year. I think I got one on. It's gonna be a small one. It's not even fighting. I'm just dragging it along. Oh, it's a bluegill. That's the first bluegill of the year. Look at that. That's a big old fatty too. Oh wait, you can't see it on that camera. I forgot that camera was off. Come here, little fella. Oh, your lip got a little busted on that one. Its upper lip got busted, unfortunately, because that's a big bait for that little guy, but he made a go at it. Come on. Upgrade bass, last minute bass. Well, I didn't lose anything important there, that's for sure. I'll have to look at the video to tell for sure, but I think it was a crappie. Well, we hoped you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more great videos from the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that little bell so you get notified when new content is available. Please leave us a comment down below and let us know what you thought. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.